Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use VeadoTube Mini. First, download the application from its official source. Once downloaded, extract the contents of the zip file into a new folder. Then, simply run the executable file to launch the program. This initial setup is quick and gets you ready to create your virtual avatar for streaming or content creation. Next, let's configure your avatar. You'll need two images, one for your idle state and one for when you're speaking. Import these PNG files into VeadoTube Mini. Adjust the microphone sensitivity to ensure accurate detection of your voice. You can also set up hotkeys to easily switch between various expressions or states during your live sessions. Now, let's make your avatar more dynamic by adding expressions. You can create several expression slots, each with its own set of idle and talking images. This allows for a wide range of emotions. Explore the built-in effects, like a subtle shake or a blink animation, to bring even more life to your virtual character. These small details make a big difference. Finally, integrate VeadoTube Mini with your streaming software, like OBS Studio. You can use a game capture source or a virtual camera to display your avatar. Position and resize your character to fit perfectly within your scene. Always perform a quick test run before going live to ensure everything is working smoothly and your avatar reacts as expected.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.